Think you've got a strong stomach? Wait till you see these 10 undrinkable nightmares. Coming in at number 10, we have bird's nest drink. Yes, it's made with actual bird saliva. Yum, right? Number 9, seagull wine. Just blend a seagull with water and let it ferment. Deliciously disturbing. Next up at number 8 is snake wine. It's literally rice wine with a dead snake inside. Cheers to that. Number 7, panda dung tea. We're not even kidding. Tea fertilized with panda poop. Because why not? At number 6 we have cobra blood. Freshly squeezed from a cobra. Perfect for nobody. Halfway there. Number 5, 3 lizard liquor. 3 lizards in a bottle. Tastes like regret. Number 4, baby mice wine. Fermented with baby mice. Sounds like a horror movie. Number 3 is fermented horse milk. Like regular milk, but nightmare-inducing. Brace yourself for number 2, bull testicle beer. Yep, you heard that right. Finally at number 1 we have civet coffee. Coffee beans pooped out by a civet. Who comes up with these? Feeling adventurous? Or maybe just stick to water. Like and subscribe for more wild content.